Hi to everyone, we are here today to show you the 1951 F1 with a 302 engine and C4 transmission. We would like to show you the features, our work, we did some modifications on it, and yeah, let's have a look at it. So first we will do a look around. Here we see the front end. All is nice chromed. We have one corner protection. It is resprayed with the original paint color code from 1951. We changed it to no emblem moldings. So let's have a look inside. We have a custom-made aluminum tank with 14 gallons, which fits perfectly in, gives a little bit more space. Also we have these moldings, nice re-chromed. Have a tilt steering column, which has 303. No, has automatic on the 3. Yeah, it is actually correct. 3 drive, neutral and reverse. So we have Dakota digital instruments. I will open the door, give a little bit more pressure about it. Here we see everything works. Having an electrical fuel pump, having ice cold AC, and, heater element, also for complete. Electric powered windows. Yeah, so that's so far about the truck. The front end is really comfortable. It is from a Ford Crown Victoria modified and is perfect for long distance travel. Now we have a look inside. So we have aluminum radiator with electrical fan system, so we don't have permanent cooling. We have an AC, wave generator, MSD, ignition system, double circuit, including brake booster, having a 4-barrel Holley carburetor 650, I guess it was. Then we have these headers, which straight headers, which goes straightly down. Have a brand new Bosch battery and having a generator. I just did recently 1000 miles with the car and we did not have any issues with it, so it works perfectly even in hot region. Everything is nice and set up. so works really fine. Yeah, so what more to say about it? Please ask me questions underneath in the comments if you wanna know anything. So everything is new and set up perfectly. So let's have a look underneath. We having here a power steering, which works perfectly, having the original horns and yeah, the front suspension, which is from the Ford Crown Victoria, but fits in perfectly here. Here we can see the headers connection is with a big pipe. We have Flowmaster's exhaust system. The frame is absolutely without any rust. Everything is nice, protected, and absolutely no rust at all.